So this caffeine this tea powder we are going to transfer to the beaker, and to that you add sodium carbonate. We are going to add a little quantity of the sodium carbonate in this mixture. Now you mix it properly and you put little quantity of water from distilled water this mixture. Now you boil it for at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes so that it gives a proper decoction. The reason for adding sodium carbonate is that it combines with the tannins and it forms the salt of tannin. Tannins are acidic in nature and sodium carbonate is basic in nature. So acid and base will combine with each other and it gives the salt of tannin, which increase the solubility of tannin in water. Now after boiling, through a sieve you just filter the solution and you add little more quantity of water and heat it once again. So this process is repeated in order to increase the yield. Now after that you combine both the extract, and both the extract you transfer in a separating funnel in that fashion. In the separating funnel you add chloroform. So when you add chloroform, you will get the mixture of two liquid which are immiscible with each other. So at the below you will get the chloroform layer, whereas at the top layer the aqueous layer will be there which contains tannin. So why we are adding chloroform? Because the chloroform layer is in the chloroform layer the caffeine is much more soluble. Shake the flask gently, and remember, while shaking, after shaking immediately you should open the lid, or you should open the bottom lid also in order to release the pressure. Now after that you collect the chloroform layer in a dish, in a petri dish or any china dish. So from that you collect the chloroform layer in the china dish and you repeat the process. Means you add little more quantity of chloroform, gently shake, and you combine all the chloroform extract. So after chloroform extract, collecting the chloroform extract, you heat it over the heating mantle, or you can use water bath also. So take care while heating, as the chloroform is very inflammable solvent, it should not get caught fire, or your product should not get charged. You should not go here and there while heating the experiment. So after complete evaporation of the chloroform, what you will find, to the edges of the china dish you will find some white color or greenish white color powder. Now you just scratch it, and what you will get a white color powder like that. This is the caffeine. Now from that you transfer this into a butter paper and you calculate the percentage yield. What is the percentage yield? So percentage yield means, suppose we have taken 30 gram of powder, tea powder. From 30 gram of tea powder, how much caffeine you got, and you convert it into 100 grams. So from 100 gram of tea powder, how much you are getting. Like that you calculate the percentage yield, and your report will be the percentage yield of caffeine present in the tea powder is found to be this much. So generally 1 to 1.5% of caffeine is present in tea powder. Thank you.